Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Algorand wallet. Now, this could be a quick video. Now, the first thing you do is you go to My Algo Wallet. Now, you can use any type of browser. You don't have to use DuckDuckGo. You can use Google. So, you would do like My Algorand Wallet, type that in, and then right here, make sure it say wallet.myalgo.com. Then you hit that, and you will hit access now. You want to read the agreement. Now, it's a reason they do this all in black right here. And back up your phrase words. So they will give you some phrase words, and you want to back all that up. So you want to get your pen and paper. That's what I usually do. Get my notepad, write it down. Think of that as your bank account. Keep those phrase words completely safe. You don't want to be sharing that around the world. Now, you will hit accept, that check mark, hit continue. Now you will want to make a password for your wallet. Make sure you do like a good password. Don't do password 123, and someone is definitely gonna be on your wallet. So I'm gonna make mine. And hit continue. Now once you hit continue, you'll have all these options right here. So like I said, we will be making a new wallet. So I'm hitting new wallet. And when I hit new wallet, it reads, before creating a wallet, please take a moment to read about the phrase and how to handle your private keys. Now, they give you this link right here. You can click it and read about it. And in red, like I was saying, never share your phrase words with anyone. So after that, you will hit continue. Now, they give you these phrase words. Now say, please take note of the following words in the correct order. Now make sure when you write it down, you're doing it in the order they give you it. Like for example, you got this, unfold, legend. Make sure you write that in that order. Then you flip over the rest of the cards. And like I said, make sure you doing that order. Then, once you write down all the words or whatever, you will hit, I have written down and backed up my 25 word phrase in the correct order. You see how they keep on saying correct order? So after you do that, you hit the check mark and hit continue. Now you gotta give me a second to write down my words. Now after you hit continue, this screen will pop up. Now it's pretty much testing you in a way that makes sure the words you've written down, you're doing it in that correct order. So when they give you that whole 25 word phrase, like all them 25 words, now they are asking for what my word number 22 is, what my word number 1 is, word number 8 is, word number 14. So they testing you in a way just to make sure you got it all together. Now I'm gonna do this, and I'll see you on the next screen. Now after you do all that, you will have all these check marks, check mark, check mark, check mark. That means everything looked good, everything was correct. And now you can name your wallet, so whatever name you want to name it. Favorite color green, I don't know. So that's why I named my wallet, and I will hit create wallet. Now it's having me put in my password that I had made in the beginning when I hit access. And then it said make the password. So I'm gonna put in my password. Then we made the wallet. That's all it took. And I'm gonna show you more stuff on how to use the Algorand wallet, how to get like crypto into the Algorand wallet in the next video. Peace.